Hey scientists, here is your walkthrough of the Grassland Populations and Communities lesson. Your goal in this lesson is that you can describe the levels of organisms that make up an ecosystem. So this video right here will give you some background information about the vocabulary terms organism, population, community, individual, species, ecosystem.
Welcome to Science.
And then in your instructional video here, this video gives you everything that you need to know about grasslands, populations, and communities, and straight from our science textbook. We are talking about the black-tailed prairie dog this week, and we have some additional information about the black-tailed prairie dog here on our instructional page and on our videos if you want to learn more at the end. The black-tailed prairie dog is an important component of the Great Plains ecosystem. The rodent provides food for many predators, while it burrows provide habitats for a great variety of other species. One scientific study found that more than 100 different species of animals associated with the prairie dog town. Because of its importance to other species, the prairie dog is called a keystone species. If it's removed from the ecosystem, the diversity of other species declines. During the last century, the number of prairie dogs has declined greatly. As a result, some of the species typically associated with prairie dogs, such as mountain plovers, ferruginous hawks, burrowing owls, and black-footed ferrets have also declined. And again, this video will give you everything that you need to know about the grassland populations and communities and the vocabularies that we are specifically studying this week. So in this activity, you need to use the labels from the perimeter of the page to label the images below. Refer back to the lesson if you need further support. So if we look at these images right here, what of our vocabulary terms do these images identify and help us to develop a further understanding for? And then your last activity here on Wrap It Up is you have two compares. So first you're going to compare how is a population different from a community, and then you're going to compare how is a community different from an ecosystem. So really digging deeper and asking you to use your words to articulate the differences between these different vocabulary terms and what are the nuances of an ecosystem. And then as I indicated previously on your other page, there's more information about these vocabulary terms. And then there's a bunch of information about prairie dogs if that is something that you would like to know more about. This Khan Academy video definitely goes a lot deeper into the organisms and population and community vocabulary terms if you really want to expand your knowledge. Or if you're just looking for something cute and you want to learn more about prairie dogs, both of these videos are enjoyable and comical. Again, your goal at the end here, scientists, is that you can describe the levels of organisms that make up an ecosystem. Work hard, scientists.